Hello there guys, it's CoolFox here, and today I'm bringing you an unboxing and review of the Veenax HS3 headphones. So starting off with the unboxing here, on the top you'll find that this does actually take a micro SD card as well. It obviously has Bluetooth, so it will connect wirelessly. It also has NFC, it can answer incoming calls, it can go into a speaker mode, which is actually pretty neat, and we will go through that later. And then you also have an aux mode to plug it in directly into your phone or whichever device you have. Here on the bottom it also states the speaker and headphones 2-in-1 thing that is stated up here, and we will go through this later on as I said before. On the sides you can see that there is nothing really written except for the same feature being prominently shown again on the right side, and it makes sense for them to plaster this all over the box since this is what defines this pair of headphones compared to other ones out there. So once you take out the sleeve you will find another box underneath, and opening up that box you will find a little carrying case, the headphones inside of a plastic bag, and underneath the divider you will find a charging cable and aux cable as well as a manual. So first, taking a quick look at the manual, you can see that there are many different languages inside, and I would recommend that you give this a look since it obviously outlines all the important features of the headphones themselves. Then, as I said, you will find the charging cable, which is a micro USB, and also the aux cable, which for some reason is in red, although I do not really mind it, and the aux jacks are in gold. So once you unfold the headphones you can see that they will click into place. You also obviously have height adjustments on both sides. And apart from that, the first thing you will notice is that these are fully made out of plastic, but at this price point that is to be expected. There is a bit of padding here on the top, and other than that you will also find the Veenax logo on the headband, the buttons on the left ear cup. There will essentially be nothing on the right ear cup. You will find the NFC tag here, so if you want to connect through NFC you have to put the phone somewhere around this ear cup. And apart from that, again on the left ear cup you'll find the aux input, the charging port, and also the micro SD card slot on the top. Inside you will also find which ear each cup corresponds to. So this one over here is obviously the right ear cup, and this one here is the left ear cup. So they are also quite flexible, although I would not really flex them any harder than this, considering that they do have a bit of tension, so they might break if you do twist them quite hard. It is very easy to pair these to your phone, and all you need to do is power them on, make sure that they are in pairing mode, and then pair to them through the pair a new device section in the Bluetooth settings. Here is how you would connect to these through NFC. And all you need to do is grab your phone and put it right next to the headphones as I just did right now, and if that doesn't work, make sure to reposition your phone since the NFC chip might be in a different place until it gets a successful connection. So there you can see them in pairing mode, and once they connect it will go to a solid blue color. Now here obviously you have the play pause button, which also acts as the power on off button if you hold it down. Then you also have the plus volume button or the skip track, minus volume or skip track in the other direction, and then you also have the answer call or drop call button right here. There is an FM mode, so going to it.
FM mode.
So as you could easily tell, the FM mode is a bit of a gimmick in my opinion. Inside it never works since it's obviously a lot harder to get connection, but nonetheless, as I said, if you go outside and walk around a bit, you will notice that these signals are very weak since you do not have an antenna for this, and once you plug in the aux cable it will go into aux mode, so it will not be used as an antenna. But nonetheless, you still have the feature and it might work in your area if you have better radio coverage. So another tip that I would give is that you should put an EQ on your headphones, and this will obviously make your sound a lot better. Now granted, not everyone will prefer this specific EQ, but I found that this works pretty well with pop music and electronic music. Now if you listen to anything else, obviously you can change the EQ or even leave it as it is if you think that it sounds fine. Now for the default sound quality, I would say that these have pretty good bass and a very good amount of mids. So I would recommend that you reduce a bit the mids and maybe increase a bit the highs. Now obviously, as I said before, everyone has his own taste and which EQ sounds the best is very subjective. And the last thing that I want to show is the carrying case. And if you retract these and put them inside the case, you'll see that they will fit in with no problems at all. And there you have a basic travel case which you can put inside your bag or whatever you have to travel with. So that is all for this video guys, I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. This was CoolFox and I'm out. Peace.